Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can connect to a remote MySQL database within our command prompt. And here, for instance, I'm running my exam control panel here, and have it run MySQL database system. And if I try to connect, for instance, MySQL user root p, you can see I can be able to connect with this database. This is a local connection. For a remote connection, you need to know the address of the database server. For instance, my computer is connected on a local connection, and the IP address is this one. So assigned with this IP address. And also let me try to connect to with I'll exit the connection, and here I'll need to specify the host. I'll put the IP address. If I hit enter, you can see it is asking for a password, but the remote connection for the root is not allowed to be for using password. No, I'll try to connect with a different user where the password is set. Now when I enter the password, you can see I cannot be able to log in the MySQL connection in the local area network. This is the same way you can do for other connection. For example, in this case, I'm going to exit this connection, and I'm going to specify a different. The database server is hosted on a address like this one with a domain. You can connect to it with this. If I enter the password, try to reach the host, and it say access denied for user. This one is password. Yes, because the user is not present in my database. I'll put the you can see now when I provide the correct username and the correct password, I can be able to log in. I can now say show databases, and it return an information schema because I read this user and assigned this table information. If I define a different database, then I can be able to switch into that database and perform DML and DTL operation in my database. So now I can be able to access my MySQL database server remote with MD. Thanks for watching, my friends.